Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use the match command in AutoCAD. To use match command in AutoCAD, what you have to type is, like in our case we will be matching. As you can see here, the hatches which I have given is in the different format, and I want to give the format like this, and like hatch style should be like this, and the shortcut command for the match is MA enter, and I will press space or enter. Here you can see I'll have to select the source object, so I'll give the source object this, and now it is asking me, as you can see over here the paint popped up, and I have to give the destination, and I'll provide the destination which I want to match like this. As you can see, now the style of the hatching is changed, uh, and matched like this. So this is the way you can use match command in AutoCAD. I hope you find this video useful. So take care. Bye bye.